Summer rain on the window. Watch the time flow.
So it's been almost 3 months since we last made a video for you guys, and it is because of our exams. They lasted for a very long time, and as we have exam anxiety, it was really stressful for us to make videos during that period. So after our exams ended, we finally decided to make a vlog for you guys as we went on our vacation to, you know, regain our mental health.
So sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
After loads of traveling, we reached our destination and decided to rest so that we can explore the next day. Hey guys, so it's the next day and this is our outfit for the day, and we're gonna wear this, get ready, and then we'll go for the hiking.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever.
before traveling back home, we decided to visit this beautiful place, and we did not get a lot of footage because it got really dark, so there was just no point of showing that. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.